Do two atoms ever touch each other? Well, it depends on what you mean by touch. In everyday sense, touch means the hard boundary of two objects being in contact with each other. If that is what you expect from two atoms, it doesn't make sense at the atomic level. Because atoms don't have hard boundaries as such. You see, atoms are not really solid spheres. They are just fuzzy quantum probability clouds, filled with electrons spread out into waving, cloud-like shapes called orbitals. An atom is like a cloud in the sky. It can have a shape and a location without having a hard boundary. When we say an atom is at point A, what we mean is that the high-density portion of the atom's probability cloud is at point A. Suppose you put an electron in a box. Then it's mostly in the box. Still, part of the electron's wave function leaks through the walls of the box and out to infinity. This non-solid nature of atoms makes it difficult to answer the question, do they touch? But if you mean, touching means influencing each other. Yes, atoms indeed touch each other, in the sense that, the wave functions of two atoms overlap, even if they are light years apart. If touching means two atoms residing in the exact same location. Two atoms never touch at room temperature. You know Pauli's exclusion principle. In a single atom, no two electrons will have an identical set of quantum numbers. This is what keeps all the atoms in your body from collapsing into one point. Let's conclude. Atoms never touch in the everyday sense of the word, for the simple reason that they don't have hard boundaries. But if you can visualize what touch means at the atomic level, they certainly touch. Atomic habits are interesting. What do you say?